Start by activating yeast. We used 2 cups of warm water, added 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon flour, and crumbled fresh yeast. Stir until everything dissolves. Set aside and wait 10 to 15 minutes. You should see yeast foaming and rising a bit. While you wait for the yeast to activate, prepare a bigger mixing bowl and add flour. Separately prepare liquid mixture. Mix eggs, oil, rum, sugar, salt and milk. After yeast is activated, add it to flour together with the liquid mixture. Mix until dough is nicely soft and lightly sticky. Add flour or warm milk if needed to get the right consistency. You can use a mixer or just knead it with your hands. Set aside, cover with a clean kitchen towel and let rise. When it doubles in size, knead the dough and let rise again. In the meantime, prepare the filling. Mix cottage cheese, sour cream, eggs, sugar, vanilla sugar and tarragon. Mix all the filling ingredients in a medium bowl. Save some of the tarragon to sprinkle on top of the filling. Roll out the dough on a floured cloth that is only used for baking. Spread the filling evenly and sprinkle dried tarragon on top. Form a big roll. Grease a baking pan with some oil. Cut the roll so it will fit into a baking pan. Carefully place your rolls in the pan. Using a table knife, make several holes into the cake rolls to help air out while baking. Cover and let rise. Preheat the oven to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Scramble an egg and spread it on the cake rolls. Bake for 10 minutes at 392 degrees Fahrenheit, then lower the temperature to 302 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for an hour or until golden brown from all sides. When cooled, remove cake rolls from the baking pan and dust it with powdered sugar. Serve cooled with a cup of coffee or tea and enjoy it for any occasion. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.